T.N.S camp amawulire gavaayo mwaka guno ndi Alvin Keys aleka nga tadde T.N.S camp gavaawa kuchewa gavaawa
kale nga womanyi nti after Box Studio navaayo nekinzibwaliramu and I wasn't making any money. I wasn't shooting any videos. I wasn't releasing music. And I had nobody to tell that. Because nagezako, honestly speaking.
Vocal music. Ensonga ezikugisayo tezali mnambulukufu. Is a management eraga nti ina tekyalirede ku investing into yo.
Ensonga ali nambulukufu. Management yangamba tekyalina business.
Ngekoye kubajinga music wo oba ekoye kuteka mu ndongo.
Yeah, that's the truth.
2020 iMac iCode release Mr. Gadget Game Changer CEO RB Promotions Rupista kuva Chibase Star TV Metro FM tuba wetuli atenganira tuli HPH abachise Kaunge Express Monday up to Friday Rupi Stickman Musudani Obliziruja wamane bagong DJs program ompya eja second match kinaba loading sawa 10 mpaka emuso bingi airtime yeyongedde kumpe obukimu kyeyongerese unakulwali mu kanyumiro kaffe kano ko kubantu tuleta abatu tumufa abenjawulo channel ya Feno na streaming live ne ku Chibase Star TV Metro FM tuba usane nga tuyozaako ebintu bibadde mu week amoleka badde mu week iMac iCode tuba tuze so nakulwali ndi musanyifu kuba nti ngatidwa ko muganda wange mukwano gwange I've seen him way back in the business wali from nzijukira ebiseera bya is it ndaga muntu abantu balowooza okubiriza abantu bafuna endaga muntu embeera netambula so muganda wange Alvin Keys nsabubuze kuba tulaba n'abagiriko n'abagyekuumiddeko
yo chachiro bampita Alvin Keys Uganda Kampala backs by the blessings all over the world where tuli izimi tuli ne mchali wange bamuyita Rupi live life.
So Alvin tutandikire wa
simanyi jaka wesobola okutandikira Samia baby yo josula njagalo kimanye ya imesiwa yadde twebera wala
yes. So Alvin mbumbi abantu bakulaba Alvin yani
Alvin Keys muyimbi Afrobeat R&B muyimbi just kola music
amanya amatufu Alvin
amanya amatufu bampita Ruyonga Philip Alvin Keys yampi bamchali wange nga tuli campus awo naidi musajja mutoro big up on yourself all the batoro in the land zewe so to follow myaka imba tukawagire fena yama
Alvin azalibwa di tunuleko brief land watakumanya background
I was born a few years ago but my birthday is 22nd April
oi abachale batule kweka akantu wako Nne wagamba why no I can't recall it but it was 95 92
so ino kumanya ndi musajja mukulu
oli mukulu
yeah man
amasomero yitako wana wa
masomerako ndi obbi wa Mukibina St Lawrence SS Sonde ndi obbi wa Winnie na Magabi SS
okay
nasomera St Lawrence University St Lawrence University Rubaga then primary school nasomera St Francis Ntinda Chigowa nasomera ke Logogo Nursery nasomera ko St Jude Primary School nasomera masomero manje studied in 8 schools in 7 years primary school
primary school waje otamulanga olochichi bakugoba bugobyo ba
tato wange civil servant so ba transfer
buli mwaka nga mu transfer
ebintu webitu nga omanyira nti civil service atandika obutandisi ekiba kyangu so paka uyatukanga setolinza kiruddemu for some time atenga naffe tukuze so he stopped that movement netubera mu somero limu netumaliriza ya
okay tunulie musical career eno katenda kuwanga ejja church school church kusikiriza okuba nti otandika ebidongo babi era bitandikira wajja netandikirawo
nayagalanga nnyo aba nedda waliwo abayimbi basatu abasooka okunkwata omutima sasa kamera nafulumya mama mia nga tewali muntu yakubiri
that is 2000 99 2000
awo I was I think in my P4 somewhere that's P4 P3 I was it nengamba osaga nawe nayate nekitambula nnyo nenda pepe cool nenda then Pama Awards came Pama Awards zasinga okundetera okwagala okuyimba omuntu yajanga okukima award yengo omulaba anje agikwata ati nogamba I need to be there then Models Radio and Wizo came nebicho gamba achievements abasajja bozandetera nnyo okwagala okuyimba but then naturally nali muyimbi kuva mu somero era okutandika okuyimba it was just a choice because I'm also a graduate who studied everything I needed to but I chose to do a music career
so when you are getting inspired olugendo lutandikira wa
olugendo lutandikira
after the inspiration olugendo lutandikira wa
lutandikira natete
natete kubitala
busega kudome busega kudome wali Digi Bawa yayina sawazi no bamuyita producer Bawa yayina studio
sound cover
eze nako babajitanga sound cover I think then ebusega yo kudome yayina studio eyo so twayina all star na lidu ne Wikibenda alikekiz ne Wikibenda na so ne batkole tukola yo ka all star ne bachali bange tutatude naye musomero so I met Bawa then I meeting Bawa chemistry afene kwataganirawo went Bawa na introducing ku ndongo naamba ku magezi
mwaka choko Alvin okujikira
2011 nali mu first year
so otandika okola projects you wasoko kola after that Wikibenda ngo goinze solo Wikibenda mwali mwenna mwali muri abantu babiri mugeza ku hasolinga mu make problem better
akayimba kenasokera dalo kola I think ali ku SoundCloud bakaita love me akayimba kona kafulumya daba yakankolera naye nangamba olaba music yetagamo kukisinga kawo nangamba tambula kono no musajja na directing akuziza bafana ezabafana nanjiri byendongo nandaga ekyo kukola okusoma ne kunkwatiriza then when amalo okusoma obulungi nembera kaya wa Sweet Kid because nga womanyi womalo soma obo yino okwirabirira bro ese kwa bantu baba bakoze omulimo gwabwe so nentandika okubeera ne Sweet Kid awo ku studio ye the records emachindye bebe cool wena unawandikira kayimba nkamusindika bakaita manyigo ne ku YouTube gwe kali bakaita manyigo bebe cool nangamba olaba jango nyambe come back in 8/8/14 8th August 2014 best of Bebe Cool album nalina kamaliriza okukola ebibuuzo byange bya campus Bebe Cool nanyingiza Gagamel band na introducing a name of backing for a period of a year I think then natuka na gamba I feel like you've matured enough to get off a backup mic than okuiri bendongo got me off backup. I started doing things on my own. Full mark kaimba kaita birungi. Kaimba kokake na full mark kaga mpozi ne all star ya Christmas. Na yetu aje forumia na pepe. Na bayindi na Angel Square. Alan hadn't come yet alone still at school. Jack Katemi, Denzo, Shortcut, everybody was there. Yeah, so when I vow nina nikokola nzeka omusajja gwe bayita when I vow Bebe Cool then kukola ni Nathan twazunganga nnyo ni Nathan because Nathan was literally my age bracket ate nga yaliko so nembalabala mu nengamba omuntu ono abanga atambula amawanga go amanyi connections the radio ne TV ne bichi and he did his job like he did a good job na yandaga ku bantu na bintu bimu byemmanye bimu Nathan yabinjikiriza some things in production some things in promotion plus so netambula mu kona yao after that nefuna chance can music nendaba can music kaka Don Kaka is my OB St. Lawrence is also Waiki when there's OB netukwatagana netukolagana then we signed another artist but then we had a few misunderstandings masao and everybody came to terms it was my fault. I'm telling you.
Can music jadi?
Can music
jadi? Can music jadi?
Jam 2006, 2017.
17.
Yeah. 2016.
16. Can music eja kulebo ngereto muyimbi omu gwa Alvin Kiss etandikana Alvin Kiss.
Alina company twakitulansi ne tukirizagana ne Kaka. Ne tugamba sente ostani ko kujja tuloze kutoka signinga teke sente goje sente zo. But then I was like ebintu bigenda tuleetera okugera ennyo tubeere professional. Let's endorse something. Let's pen something down. So he got a contract, he drafted the contract, and the contract had its clauses where if one of us by any chance broke the clauses, or it was an open contract, or free okugenda nakola chayagala. So contract here was signing and kola nga tulichimchiri smooth. Then natukola collabo ne Helen Lukoma because she asked for a collabo. She was managed by my friend Wuno Concepts by then. Wuno Concepts was managing very talented artist there. So we are managing Helen Nangamba, Helen Nagambe moyo collabo tija kola tinga nange ndaba Helen is a multi-talented star, a star multi choice. That means we will Helen Lukoma new song is good business. So but then I think can management felt she was good enough for business. For real.
She was better than you.
No, I feel like it was not about being better. I feel like there was better business. Sometimes managing sometimes. Yeah. So I think there was better business for us. So never choosing Helen Dukomo Chikola. So they started from there and so after some time they told me we can't do this anymore. I was like, why? Remember ABC, you need to do this, you need to do that. I did everything on the list because I did not want to be that person who Gamba and Ali insubordinate. Something. No, he was my boss, so and explaining it about explaining it why we need to keep working, and he said I should go for a chili work.
Olonga Azik. Can music eno over can music. Ensonga ezikugisayo tezali mnambulukufu. Is a management eraga nti ina tekyalready ku investing into yo.
Ensonga ali nambulukufu. Management yangamba tekyali na business.
Ngekoye kubaginga music wo oba ekoye kuteka mu ndongo.
Yeah, that's the truth.
But over can music tulaba yenero koma asigalako.
Yeah, ate nasigala ndichali wabwe still because no limbo olinya amaje ze akaluwandi. There is another song I've written for her before linya amaje, but it's not out yet. So when they need music, they come to me because ne kaka mukubirako sometimes and they say hello what.
Oba kaka yayekala mbere gifula mukyala we nabanga akiza kuba mabega ku kaka kigambe okuba nje tata w'omwana wa Helen Lukoma.
Nange wembiraba ku mawulire. Personally, but so I think before their relationship that far, Ellen was just another singer who can music. So I think
you and Ellen, two artists were on the same level.
Yeah.
Imagine, in fact, Byagana was previously managed by Muganda wange Wuno concepts Wuno wave. So nabanga asanze gwe kuli bati nafuuka embere enjalo. So tuvaawo olugendo lukujjaawo lukuzaawa taata. Tuveeyo
navaawo can music I struggled. Nyonyo for a year 2017 yonnanga ndibo tekyali kyangu ngawo omanyi. So after there when I sinkanira Jeff Chiwa. Na nyambako ya nyamba nnyo paka sawa zinacha nyambako ya nyamba nnyo
oi mpola acha kuyema paka sawa zino.
Yeah man iyo omuntu gasolo sindikiro limbalanga ne mugamba what do you think akayimba tukakole tyakano na kugamba olaba wano tewali wano wechini.
So oje wa Jeff otandika okukola ne Jeff official otandika okukola nga muyimbi otandika nga muwandiisi?
Otandika nga muyimbi because it's my business somewhere else because wangamba nti bansayininga nga muwandiisi nandibadde nga siwandiikira muyimbi mulala yenna. Naye najja nga have what I put to the table and what they put for me on the table.
Ewa Jeff ojja biseera ki oba ojjadde ewa Jeff?
2018 ngeggwakaawo.
Ngeggwakaawo. Ewa Jeff under T.N.S camp wali gentleman's agreement oba nga olina contract?
A gentleman's agreement. We had an agreement. Like I don't like talking my business with T.N.S on air, but we had our agreement. An agreement here.
So okolerayo projects oba owandikayo Enyimba so katutunuleze wakolerayo gwe ng'omuyimbi?
T.N.S shooting Julia. It was a beautiful song. Shooting it Tubalaba, 2 songs.
Yeah.
Then we also have a collaboration with Sheebah
Karungi.
Then wali akayimba ne Rodenwai kabako bakaita Buti.
So tutunulire ezo projects ebakola kumpe 4 projects. Wovaawo wandikira nnyimba ki zokuonako ku pen zokama nti ezo zaalimu omukono gwo?
Ezo buli omazimanyi because na co-writing akuwankona kona. Then I wrote Mamiyo. Then I penned down Jealousy. And then I wrote Topic Style Yo. Then Chosen was still in T.N.S by then. Namwandikira Tomanyira. Nesimuliko. So yeah, the general.
So T.N.S camp amawulire gavaayo mwaka guno nti Alvin Keys alabika nga atadde T.N.S camp gavaawa ku kyeba gavaawa
kale nga womanyi nti after Coke Studio navaayo nekinzibwaliramuko and I wasn't making any money, I wasn't shooting any videos, I wasn't releasing music, and I had nobody to tell that. Because Nagezako, honestly speaking, so I think we just became too apart.
You and your management.
Yeah. I think sometimes what we interview so what we interview we are going to a certain pace. And management says you're supposed to wait. And truly, I had to wait. But it was eight months, bro. 8 months. Actually, a year now. And things are seeing is that I decided to start something new.
Your journey to Coke Studio etandika
Nafulumya nkuloza kwa appeal to East Africa, and I was one of the hottest uprising stars. The style was different. I got an email, said come to Coke Studio. The handler is going to be Gundi, and we went up. Yeah, Coke Studio.
So you just sent an email?
Yeah.
Tewaliwo criteria yonna gye wakozesa okuba nti oyingira Coke Studio?
No. Tewaliwo kati nze criteria nga njijja wanza.
Woyingira mu Coke wagenda ngani?
Nagenda nga big break artist. Big break artist abeera muyimbi mupya. Abantu gwe balina okulaba Coke Studio eraga Africa omuyimbi ne bagamba ono omuyimbi omuteekeko amaaso is going to be a problem for you.
Must watch talent. Tewagiyita big break nti guno omwaka wavuddeyo akaana mu G kakubye G ne libikuka kati akaana ako mukalabirire nga kagula. So Coke Studio etwa abantu. Yeah. So is that a short list is made and everybody is screened by very lucrative and careful people. Screening because Coke Studio si company akatandika jo. It's not a competition, it's an academy. The academy takes the big artists there to know something new, or takes the big artists there to show some people new things. Then takes us, the small artists, to learn something new, get a different experience, meet bigger artists, get inspired. I think I'm 2018, nali hot in Uganda. I had a hit Nkulozako. I had a oluyimba wanseyo nga luyitamu olwalode mwaibuti naye nezange Julia ne tubalaba nga zikubanya ate nga bantu baziraba. 2018 I deserve to be in Coke Studio because everybody nakuba music ali unique and different. I think abantu kyo basinga tebakiraba nti what makes you a better artist than the other is not how much money you make with the music. It's not how famous you are, but how good the music is. Because abantu asinga wano bamanyi ti wa Savage Simi abamanyi batono nnyo, but she was best female artist of the year last year. In some awards in their country. And those were MTV awards, I'm not sure. But then people not Tiwa Savage here, but what made Simi surpass her music was a little better. So yeah, I feel like I went to Coke Studio on merit. Yeah, anybody who feels any different, sorry. Yeah. Alvin, birungi byofuna mu Coke Studio.
Benji, bro. I have a collab I'm supposed to be releasing. Rivani, yafulumiza oluyimba na Eva Luita Teyamo. Wakabinyu, but the guy's called Messias Mariko. He does Kizomba and Zouk. It's so good with Mozambique. We shall be unveiling it soon, but there's still preparations being made. Technicalities here and there. Then Walio, my guy from Zimbabwe, Bamoita Winky, all those guys I work with them. But then Coke Studio Navamco contacts a few managers from different countries, promoters from different countries. Kenya itself is a hive for success. So I met so many people there, PRs, Nebichi. Coke Studio yanzija kuleve mune nteka kuleve ndala sawa zino nengeri je nkole ebintu ekyenyamba. Coke Studio
oyuze birungi byafunamu. Buzibu ki oba mbeera kiti okuva ku Coke Studio joga mu muntu ali alaba jagamba nti onakulali andwade enyimiza mu Alvin. Bitunulire ebintu byensawo. Alvin Keys yava mu Coke Studio nga mu nsawo kirimu ki because abayimbi bana ava mu Coke Studio baba ne package nga mu nsawo mulimu ki.
Anyway, this is a personal. Nagenda mu Coke Studio nagenda sekirowooza nako.
Tuchiroza, it's just sent.
Nagenda sekirowooza nako. So whether zaliyo but zaliyo But I'm sure about one thing. When again that Charlie Chintu Teyo na chifuna. But then ngawo manyu vayo ato oli ku certain level at level you know kulwa no maintaining that means standard ya video jo ino kukola zino kubeeranga ngazezo atenge sente bato zina. It was really hard.
How when kuuliza nti abantu balowooza in case out of experience buko ku studio buzibu ki bwagifunamu okuwanti it was your first experience buko
safuna buzibu yadde because nagenda ndi sharp.
Okay.
That is one. Two nagenda that was a very long trip, but then I enjoyed it so much. Kalo associating n'abantu baba lwasita n'ogamba yo road boy n'ogamba dandi sencha but you know sala n'ogamba me go and say hi. But sasanga buzibu bungi kintu ndiva Kampala teri mutava Kampala nagenda bweru nasanga buzibu na hapana.
So njaga tutunule away from Cook Studio wodda wano kyenkunyoleta amawulire gavayo kala Alvin Kiz finally atade T.N.S. Kitandika kite wakiva you've explained you had hopes okola ebintu ebyenjawulo n'ebintu ebisigadde kivaawa mu mbeere because abantu balaga Alvin Kiz yalina enyimba nga zonyu mention ezo zowandikidde Sheebah n'abantu abasigadde ba T.N.S camp. Why to sasulwa? Abantu balaga.
Every song I write for everybody. So I do for me I was paid and compensated. Did I ngere nkugambye
Mami yo basasulwa.
I was paid.
One corner
I was paid.
You are paid. Nkulowoozako
it was a collabo. I think it's me who needed the collabo mostly, but I think it was an advantage for Sheebah as well because it is good work and it made a hit. But I really needed the collabo, so I didn't think about asking for money.
Still,
it is only rude for you to say pay me for my collabo, yet you are working with somebody that makes people pay for our collabos.
Abantu bajja wendowooza egamba nti tewasasulwa Alvin Kiz oba wali tosasulwa?
I'm not sure. Nakyogera njagala musangeko mubuuzi ani yakugamba nti tebasasulwa. You know? Hey, amazima because nze nkubuulira abantu bonna benkoze nabo abamanya people have written songs for. You cannot release your song before you pay me. You pay me first. But then this is the thing. I'm telling you the truth. Abasajja bamanyi business ate nga there are people who use it. I'm not sure.
No mwaka obanda you went there 2018.
Yeah.
This is 2019 to what day?
2019. I was there for the 2019 edition. But you know, we fly in 2018. Do whatever we do, then it's aired in 2019.
So should we expect Alvin Kiz 2020?
I believe you should because Sawazino. I really have so much good music monji gweninanga mulungi ate ngenda mu folumya bali ndi mukole branding amu waliwo yatandise okunzirisa emisinde salem kwet beche naye 2020 tugenda folumya very good music. I'm just praying I get someone who thinks alike when it comes to business.
Okay. Alvin, we tukomye wali erinzijukira twali twogera ku nnyimba zowandiise nga buli nyimba lona bakusasula tolina nyimba batazasuddwa.
Yeah, man.
Nyimba tizo zowandika bana Uganda abali abalaba TV n'abalaba channel n'aba streaming live ku Bulaya abantu bonna gye bali. Zotaddeko pen ali mbalaba abali tazimanyi zotaddemu omukono.
Kamba wayo bini zokka endala sirikiriziddwa bulungi zoogera naye zino tezirinaako kipapula. Anayinama Kogona Anayinuka. I wrote that one. Then I rose. Then I wrote him Jimpe Jimpe Love Yanga Jimpe Usawa. That's Lydia Jasmine. Yeah, and I said Jakogira naye mwezi nyingi.
Ate wakani music mwimbi wa fani akawandisa kapya kaina.
Inze akawandi so linye ya maji. I wrote that one. I wrote her Alaze. I wrote her Super Strike. I wrote her so many. Like ulimbo lwamu kukolera nze alwandi.
Gwali emabeka. Ochaino mutima ogwagaliza hamiriso kukuba olukokolo kuva mu kani music.
Yeah.
Hey, ochaino.
But I feel like buli omu does what they have to do to survive.
Still.
So when she does what she has to do to survive, and it's but yo, there's business. On the other hand, look at the bright side. She's still not a music writer, and when she needs my help, I give my services, and if she has the money, I do them.
Ebanga lyobaddewo mu kuwandika ennyimba buzibu ki ofunye mu kuwandiika?
sibungi really sijja kulimba
brief omuyimbi ali atandika n'omuntu amuwandiisi
omuwandiisi yenna atandika. I want you to know that you are going to write so many songs for free. I'm telling you. Ogenda kuandika nyimba nyingi.
How have you been skeptical?
Well, katukankulage. As a personal nawandika nyimba nga abiri for free. Abantu abamu bazifuna nozifuluma for free. Nga kyenoonya babe kubagambe waliyo omwana yawandika kayimba. So my price started coming from 50 to 100 to 200 to 400 to 500. I became a 2 million person. Nti zijja zisituka mpola. Na then nga omanyi obuzibu buli mu songwriting nti katale kalinga ka nkulage kye kitafa amangu. Nti usibuli lunaku nti amatogula toyi. Zine ez'omunju. Omuntu atekamu toyi addamu jigula later. Ate nga si lunaku nti omuntu azimba nju, tamala nju. So enyimba zaffe zibanga kutunda ceramics oba art. So unokufuna omuntu nti akifeelings or something. They really need to connect with the song. So just to understand you know kubeera patient but nobo tundira bwerere nobo tundira sente nyingi concentrate and give the people the best omuntu muwona oba to mu feeling otane the chintu nti olimba guliko gwe aluwandiise write it and make it count. Yeah.
So anainama ono yayogeza abantu obwama anainama kugata anainama lulimbo zimu kuzikolera Nina Rose last year.
Yeah man.
Musingana mutana Nina Rose okuwandika oli.
Sasingana Nina Rose really. I met my friend called Kaziwe Dante.
What video?
Our video.
Videograph for you.
Yes. And we talked and he said he had a couple of artists that he wanted to buy songs for and stuff. So he wanted jam for an artist. Nga ulina kayimba ako ka it's a male song. Kayimba kalimu lyrics abasajja. But I think he had a good ear and by that time he's really close with Nina. So kubeera close ennyo ne Nina. Kubeera nnyo close ne Nina. Ndowooza yamuyambako n'amuzigira. So Kaziwe Dante is the one who bought the song for me. But then the agreement I wrote was he was selling the song to Nina. You know how business is. Yeah. And it was okay for me. So when Nina came to voice the song at the Marius Legend Production, ne bankubira simu nanga Nina ali mu studio n'entambula n'engenda mu studio n'anda voicinga olimba ne lufuluma and it was a masterpiece.
Which is your song lwakasinga okutunda sente nyingi?
Sigenda kugamba ekyo. Ogenda kunsanya.
Liba lwakatoka today.
I'm not going to tell you that one.
Liba ti wakatunda bei entono.
Nekyo nakyo sigenda kikugamba. Oyagala kungobya kunsi.
Ani yali akulumye ekonomi olima natakusasula?
Naye muyimbi wange ate alina mu ku ssente naye njamukubirako. Njamukubirako mwana rasta mwana. Ngina kukubirako mwana akaja kaffe bakaleete.
Balete sente. Alvin njagala tutunulire musical career otambudde mu kampo ez'enjawulo z'omenya. Alvin golooza lwaki otambudde kampo ezo zonna n'obanga ate concentrate nze buzi buli ku gwe buli ku kampo ezo z'otambuddemu?
No, I concentrate bro. Kiriwo ekiti. Like anga obogedde nti abantu abali mu kwogera mbu navudde mu T.N.S or something.
That recent label T.N.S sound gye balaga nti obadde ovuddeyo.
This is the thing. Abasajja nkyakola nabo engeri gye nali nkola naki
nabo
naye neetaaga omuntu ateeka mu talent essente.
So mbumbi tebateekamu T.N.S teteekamu talent Alvin.
Like we have to agree to disagree or we have to agree to agree.
So manager yandiyagadde Alvin Keys kati alina kujja nga ready okuinvestinga in your talent.
I think atagenda teekamu na nyingi because you already have a branded star. You already have a star that togenda mugulira content. Togenda basically it's going to be how are we going to make the money? I need management. Who is going to tell me how are you going to make the money? Oshagedde sagala waliwo abantu abajjanga yaga oyo muyimbi wange wagenda mugenda mu bbaala you drink you get your drink you go out you know but then I need somebody to call me in the morning and say yo I was thinking you should do this, go do that. I need somebody to tell me why genda ononye ku gundi mukule naye collab. How am I going to do a collab with him? He's already a star, we need to invest. Kankutekereza ino sente wenzi wetufune sente tuzijewe tuti omuntu akubira ku bantu nabagamba mbukingira ku mwana ono. What do you think? I don't have someone who makes me bookings.
But you've been in a label.
I've been in a label. but nobody makes me bookings. I'm supposed to go and ask somebody. I talk to people of events. Why? Some people don't even pay. People don't even pay for me performing because it's me who needs the performance more. And that is painful.
Alvin, Abadde ku label eya T.N.S. Ngo kuliko muyimbi Gulunedi official, kuliko Kabako, kuliko topic kasete, kwaliko Chosen Blood. Chosen Blood yakusooka okuvaayo. Oba akusooka okuba nti yagamba talina contract nabo. Yalina gentleman's agreement nga Abadde nabo. Avaayo akuba akajjika single kali oba solo kali ya neyitayo ndabeko. Gulunedi yaliyo mu kusamba akajjika ngologana kiraga nti abatadde. Buzibu ki obuliyo?
Sijja kulimba nti manyi obuzibu obuliyo kubanga nzolaba kati kankulage a grenade na musanga akola ne T.N.S but not as
onakulwali amawuli gali mu ngamo nti ali yasainizire Derek Olonyi
kati awo simanyi bro because amazima matuufu Grenade was amawuli okufuluma nti Grenade is now working with T.N.S Gajja. I'm already there. I waited for more support and stuff. I hope to Safuna. The support agent, I didn't know. Grenade made a hit and he left even before me. And for me personally, my patience is enough. Because I'm speaking the truth.
I understand.
My patience is enough. For
1 year, now 1 year, almost 1 year and a half.
Tomanyi omuntu abayo kyakupangira. Tomanyi oyinza okuba nga wakeekyanga ate nga alina byapanze. But then it's a yeah, bro. I have people I take care of. I have my bills to pay. And my songwriting business cannot provide for all that at once. Because I have people I also contribute for their well-being. I need to make money. I need to get shows because there is no music artist recording or performing that can make money.
When you know all these needs, Alvin.
Yeah.
Mubumpimpi sikuona T.N.S oba si depending akwe. Mubumpimpi when summing up nengamba tebakuyamba mba mutufu.
Abanyamba we banyamba paka we bakoma. I'm showing you. 2019 was one of the hottest artists.
And ngatu malize wanga twinding up Alvin Keys church pia under Alvin Keys na 2020. Obulamu bwa music butambudde butya buli butya
2020 nyimbi last year na follow me nyimba nya na video mo 2020 I have a lot of music enda follow me EP ya nyimba musanvu enda follow me very soon atu akamugenda mula ba just tuina mu ebitono betu kwasaganya physically and technically tuberenga tubitereza mu line naye genda follow ma already ku album to follow me zaka kaimba kamba kaita Samia. If you hear Samia you will cry and call your ex. Nyimba nyingi zilimwa
okay
bagamba. So we have so much. I'm gonna full my video like in a week. I'm going to release one video in a week and then release another video in like after 3 weeks or 4 weeks after a month. You're still drawing the but as per now we have a song out called Samia. Dina kaimba bakaita fighter Winnie Mandela reach Eskemboga yeah sing like Makeba I wanna be great like Masekela yeah Enyimba jezidi nyingi. So collabos tugenda kubira ina zo because already collabos jina aka confirming. We have a collab with Shina Skies. Hottest I know him and Gravity Omutoju my friend, it's dope. She's a full package artist, yeah. Ayimba bulungi, she's just perfect. Ayimba naye. So a collab is in but the EP is a 7-song album. So we're gonna keep waiting. Go with the Samia. End of Samia. I don't know if Samia. Whoa. They should get Samia. So
Alvin nga tuunzika nayo bizonga biri bisatu njaka tutunulire omuntu wagula enziji bbiri nagula olw'okuwandika n'olw'okuyimba oyingira luliwa
nakuyimba Webanga kubanga olw'okuyimba tulina strings attached. Osobola kuyimba nga waliwo emitendera gy'okuyimba webanga oluggi lw'okuyimba lulimu buli kimu ekyetaagisa okuyimba ate mba nkyawandikira kyennimba because amazima amatuufu ekimpandiisa ennyimba is because that's how I survive.
Alvin wenkwata abantu babiri nenkwata Kaka nenkwata ne Jeff Chiwa okuwandikira ennyimba nga njagala obawole ku bwere obawole ojja kuba njo ani gwowola oluyimba
Jeff
kani Kaka tasasula Oba esere ze zirwawo kaka.
Just manya.
Hey.
And Jeff is a man with very few words, but a lot of action. So nze kyemmanyi waliwo omuntu gw'otasobola kubanja yakukubira nakugamba wayi sente zona zifunye zikwate.
Esebo.
He's legit like that. Osegeera.
So oba kuola luyimba.
Mbwamu oli.
Owolamu oli. Asigadde n'alindamu.
Onaalindamu onaalina kumalayo.
Okay, gatuduka. Mbuza ebibuzo bisatu. Akanyumire tuba nako mbuza ebisatu ngubuze ekisembayo tuduke.
Music wange kigo osinga okwagala.
Music wo aliyimba lwe bayita Ndagamuntu lwankolera nnyo. Waliwo akayimba oba wakayimba nakawulirako waliwo lubabu luyimba. It's a song as well. Nalo lulungi. Then waliwo aka automatic guwata wakava mu Cox Studio. Nalo sirubi. But Lama nze yansigala nnyo we nalaba Ndagamuntu oyo singa refuse n'omukazi nga Sheebah oba omukazi nga Cindy oba omukazi nga abakazi abapika abamabaala. I think Ndagamuntu would cross over. But ndozo muyimbi gwamuwa yali muyimbi ajja akomawo bukomye okuva mu fashion abantu bali bamutegeredde adda mu music okuba serious.
Ekibuuzo ekyokubiri. Enyimba tosobola kukola gwe katoli mu media. I want you to tell the world if you can make a hit from an audio or you can't.
You can make a hit from an audio nga waliwo omukisa. Because onakulwa leero social media eri broad. Oli ajja kola oluyimba nga sikyo teruyina very clean video. Oli akola oluyimba nga kikibombe video akugattiriza alvingiza abantu obaliwa. Going viral, very ne challenges nyingi. Lusamba akaji. So kitegeeza lunaku za leero kyangu nnyo oluyimba okukola nga luli mu audio, but however osobola odugatako ebintu bingi. So ne lukola.
Kibuuzo kisembayo ndi wakabi basiri akabi.
Oli wakabi because projects ezikwetolodde nyingi ennungi ezibadde ng'omuntu ezikoledde, but however you need support to the talent.
Yes.
You need maximum support okukwata ekyongerayo.
Yo, this nigga is open to business. He just come and tell me you have business. This is a gold mine. Omanyi gold mine kiba kironde kya gold. Omuntu obanga oli kirombe kya gold bakusima in which case osimayo katono ka piece we kati kasobola okumalirawo emyaka 10 ne kakunganya obukadde 24. You see me?
Okay.
So I'm this gold piece.
Okay.
So everybody open to business with that.
Okay, nga tuduka Alvin oli mufumbo.
Sinafuka mufumbo.
Oli muzadde?
Ndi muzadde. I have a beautiful baby. Hey baby. I have my daughter called Amanda. She's a queen.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
So do you have any dream car? Any dream car?
I have a dream car. I have a dream car, but so many people. But enough for you. But my dream car is a Range Rover.
Sport?
And the Sport. The first Sport, not the smaller one. The first Sport, but I don't know if by the time I get the money to buy it, if the audition will be there. But I like the Range Rover Sport so much.
Okay. So nga tuduka, how about any dream country? Because you've been now.
Dream countries, yeah. I'd like to go to. One day I'd like to go to Italy. Italy is a dope country. I'd like to go to Spain. I like vintage stuff. Okay. Mexico. I'd like to go to Brazil someday. Jamaica, of course, you know. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, nga tuduka njagala kubanga nkwebaza gye badde kaje kumideko mwala Mr. Alvin Keys, Abadde, muganda wange wakabi mulungi muwagire talent ye. YouTube channel, how do I get you?
YouTube channel,
Facebook, YouTube, Twitter ne wasigade.
YouTube channel genda typingemu Alvin Keys UG. Agenda kolesa Alvin Keys UG with a dot. Ogikoneko olaba kagundi akamuli ekifaananyi kyange. Nga wansi waliwo Alvin Keys, gikoneko and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. Ku Twitter ni Alvin Keys UG. Ku Facebook ni Alvin Keys UG. That's the page.
Then
Instagram Alvin Keys UG. Gmail alvinkeysug@gmail.com. If you want Alvin Keys music, just go to Google. We are global, baby. We are on iTunes, we are on Spotify, we are on everything.
Everywhere.
Yeah.
So
how we busy to live MP3 jaja.
So
yeah, man.
anagatako kunagamba ku noti 78445 namba ya WhatsApp ko woyito kubanga tugatako tubuza tunyoya mu ibiki owa tutumufuki mu nabito ne kigwandi akade tulete ku noti 78425 ye namba y'essimu noti 78425 ye namba y'essimu. So Alvin nsaba abantu bayikapera neddobozi neggono mu subscribing bampabula ya bakadama abantu mwenna bagalize bitone nga Alvin Keys abali wanyumidwa kayimba ke yali akulide. He's starting a new journey in his musical career. Please support him, endorse his music, endorse his talent as well. Yeah, supporting ye yongere ekintu akitambuze abantu ogenda bawo yukapera obulenenge mu bipera nga buli busatu twenga tukuta.
Baby nejusa kuba
But light upon yourself, Chiwasta behind the camera, outer camera records.
Baby, every day I miss your body and I miss your crazy head. And no people are vacay on the way. I miss you, oh, I miss your body every day. Baby, it's evident. Chico kwata kochina wapo misenze nkubira ko pepi samia. Baby, you're Josula. Dagalo chimanye I miss you. Ya de twebe dawala. Yeah, yeah. You were very pretty, baby. Kankugambe, let me hear you say. Large up, backs by the blessings all over the world. Live, Chiwa Stop on it. Yeah.
Kiri,